How to check email address on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then scroll down the main list to find and tap on Mail. In the Mail settings, tap on the Mail Accounts option at the very top. You'll see a list of the email account set up on your phone. Select any of the account and this will open the specific settings for your selected mail. Here, you can see your default email address listed under the Account Information section. This process works for finding any email address you have connected to the Mail app on your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily check email address on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.